All right, this is Camaro Bruce here, just making my way home. We have an early March storm coming out of the north, so you would consider this as a blizzard. It's real slow going here. There's pockets where I can't even see the road. It's not that the road's really slick, but I mean, in places like this where you can't see the lines, I just hope there's no cars coming this way. It's very, very tricky. I think I'm in the middle of the road. I just hope that there's no cars coming this way, but this is what it's like to drive in a full-on whiteout. When I said blizzard is only supposed to snow about 4 to 6 inches, but right now I just got a little bit further to go. This is called like zero visibility, where you can't see the road. The wind's about 50 miles an hour coming straight out of the north, and you know, I just came through a little valley. It's going to get better here because there's a tree break, but anyway, thought I'd share the experience. We might be getting hit again here. There's tree cover. It was 50 degrees. I was hunting coyotes this morning, and now we are in a whiteout blizzard about 8 hours later. Welcome to Nebraska. Camaro Bruce driving in a whiteout blizzard. See ya.